Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a simple chatbot using GPT API. It's super simple. I'm going to show you how to do everything in only 5 minutes. Let's get started. First thing, you go to gradio website. This is the chatbot interface. You need to use this to basically implement your chatbot. It's super easy. You go to gradio website, then quick start. The installation, you just copy install gradio. Next, you need to have some sort of coding environment, which in this case we use only Google Colab. Google Colab is a very simple interface for coding online. It's very good for educational purposes. Here you go new notebook, and then it's ready to go. We simply paste the code we copied from gradio. Just add the exclamation mark here and then hit this play. It's going to run and install gradio. Now this takes a few seconds to connect and install. Here we head back to gradio again. Up here in the search type chat interface. First option, select the first option. Chat interface has all the components for a chatbot. We just go down here to demos and then copy the first demo. Go back to your environment. You see, don't be scared by these things. These are just nonsense. The library is installed now. Add a new cell here. Paste the code you got from gradio. So this code should basically run a simple chatbot, your coding environment. Let's play this. All right, as you can see, this chatbot is here. Let's test this. Hi. Okay, it works. It's very simple, but we need to connect this to GPT API to do more interesting stuff. Let's do this. Search and then OpenAI API dashboard. We go to dashboard because we need to go and get our API key. You go here, you go to dashboard. Oh, okay, so here I'm going to say API key. I paste my API key here. Quick start. Here it says how to install OpenAI. Just copy this line back here. Paste it. Don't forget. You see, it shows the code a little bit weird. So just add the exclamation mark at the beginning and then run the code again. In the meanwhile, you can go back and copy this code here. This is a very simple code snippet for using GPT API. All right, new cell here, paste it. Now here you need to assign in this OpenAI parentheses the API key equals this API key here that we already copied from OpenAI. We assign it here to the API client, to OpenAI client, and now we can use it. So you are a helpful assistant. Let's run this, see if it works. API key is not defined. Oh, okay, so we didn't run this cell. Okay, I'm going to run this. Now it's in the memory. Now I run this cell. Okay, it's working. You see, it chat completion message content is this haiku poem it wrote here. It's in the content, so I'm going to add here dot content and play it. It prints pretty good. So, but we want to use this API as a function into our chatbot. So I'm going to define this def API, or let's say GPT API, and then we want to send the message that comes from, let's say, input message that comes from the chatbot, right? Now we're going to shift everything under the function, and then I'm going to change this print to return. Now we don't want our chatbot to write a haiku for us. We want to change it to, let's say, it's a helpful assistant at a restaurant. Okay. Now you want to expand this helpful assistant, give them the menu or something so they can help you. So you say, this is the menu, pizza, burger, Diet Coke. And then here, so this is what we have in the system, and this is what the user is going to send us. I'm going to replace this line with the input message, this input message that comes as an input to the function. Now, GPT is going to take this input message, process based on the content that you provide here for your assistant, and it's going to return this to our chatbot. Now, I'm going to run this. Nothing's going to happen. Here, this chatbot here has a few lines. The first line is the function that's going to call to return the results, which is this this simple line. It just returns our message. So instead of returning the message, we're going to call this GPT API here and send the message to GPT API. So GPT API is going to take this input message from user and it's going to respond back. And then here it has like a line of examples. We can just remove the examples. Nonsense. The title is going to be restaurant bot. Okay, now here let's run the chatbot and see if it works. Okay, you see the title is change restaurant bot. I'm going to say hi. Hello, how can I assist you? You want to see the menu? Yes. What is on the menu? It's a very useful chatbot so far. But let's challenge this chatbot. I want to order sushi. Oh, sorry, we don't have sushi. We have these items. Okay, how about fries? See, I have a misspell here, fires, and it corrected me. It says we don't have fries on the menu either. All right, there you have it. Super simple chatbot. You can use it as a virtual assistant. You can use it for your business to answer the questions from customers. You can put it on your website, customize this assistant about your business, whatever you're working on, to answer any questions. Or you can use it as a personal assistant. Give it your files, whatever documents you have, and then ask questions from this chatbot. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to actually implement this document processing using a chatbot, so you have a better use case for a personal assistant.